First off, welcome to all of our Facebook, REI Nation Facebook Live group this morning. Thank you for joining us. I'm in Memphis, Tennessee today. Mark's down in Tuscaloosa, Alabama area. A new part of the country that we're in. He's going to take us on a tour of a house here that's maybe already done or about done. So, Mark, I'll let you take it from here, and I'll kind of jump in as we go along this tour here for a few minutes this morning. Again, we thank everybody for joining us, and if you don't mind, please like it or share it or love it. And Mark, we're excited about to take a look at Tuscaloosa, a new area for us, and we've jumped in here and got a lot of houses that we're now managing, and a lot of houses that we're buying, a lot of renovations that we're doing. So I'll turn it over to you to take us on the tour, sir.
All right. I'm at 6810 Wrigley Way. This is actually Cottondale. It's just southeast of Tuscaloosa. We're about 15 minutes away from the University of Alabama and your favorite person in the whole world, Nick Saban.
Yes.
Before I leave town, I'll see if he can give me a good quote that I can pass on to you.
Yeah, give me another. I need a new, fresh quote.
Exactly. So, really good area. The house I'm in front of, it's a 2016 build. Because it's only 5 years old, we did a small rehab here. It was only about $16,000. And I'm going to show it to you as we walk around, but I've got my man Adam on the camera. He's going to do a little 360 street scene, so if you want to do that, Adam. It's a really new, nice neighborhood. All the yards are well maintained. Everything looks fantastic out here.
Yeah, we'll buy every one on that
every
street.
One of them.
Yes.
We have a lot of new builds and a lot of houses coming in the area. So we're really excited about this opportunity for all of our investors. So let's start the grand tour. As always, start outside with the curb appeal. Freshly cut yard, nice rental signs, mailbox. House looks fantastic. Nice bushes, new mulch. Again, everything looking good on the outside.
So Mark, do we know? Mark, can you hear me?
Sir.
What's this one going to rent for?
Target rent on this one is $16.95, and we actually have an approved applicant. We're pretty close to getting this one done. They're supposed to come on Monday and do a final walkthrough and hammer out the terms. And if all that goes well, then we'll be taking this one off the market, and it'll be officially rented, and then we'll give it to the sales team, and this house will be available for one of our.
You may not know the answer to this, and I probably should have gotten this before I came in here. Do you know our price range on this house? If you don't, that's okay.
On the rent range, $15.90.
No, the sale price range.
No, I don't know the sales price range. I'm just a rehab guy.
I knew that might be a little bit out of your, but I'll see if I can get that for you.
All right, let's walk on. We'll go through the front. One of the things that we did on the exterior is we added new gutters. We always want to make sure that we're controlling the water flow and getting it away from the house. Coming on inside, watch your step, Adam. We'll start in here. You walk into a big open living room, as well as the kitchen. On the inside, we did all new interior paint. For the most part, the house was in good condition. We kept the existing vinyl plank flooring, but we did install new carpet. We did some light plumbing, some light.
Hey, Mark.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mark. Keep Adam real close to you there so we can hear a little bit better. Okay. How far along did you say this house was?
This house is finished.
It's finished.
It's finished. It's been available for rent for a couple of weeks. Like I said, we're really, really close to having the house done on the rental side so that we can give it to the sales team. So, again, I'll continue to walk you through the house.
Keep Adam close. That sound, it just got a lot better right there because he stepped up closer to you.
All right, here in the kitchen, we've got granite countertops. We have a stainless steel microwave. The resident will be supplying the remainder of the appliances. Over here, we have our dishwasher. Again, everything looks great. Again, this is only a 5-year-old house, so it should look fantastic. We have our first bedroom, bedroom 1. Again, it's a 4-bedroom house. We did new carpet in these bedrooms. Good, nice sized bedrooms. On this way, we have our bedroom 2. It looks just like bedroom 1 with the light fixture and blinds and new flooring. And then we have our hallway bathroom. So we'll step in the bathroom. And here we've got, you can see us in the mirror, we got our wonderful cameraman Adam and me looking good.
Hello, Adam.
Hello. We've got our vanity toilet, and over here we got our tub surround and everything. So again, a very clean bathroom. One of the things that helps houses rent very quickly is how clean the kitchens and the bathrooms are. So we always want to make sure they're spotless, and this one certainly is. And then back to our, to Adam's right, we have bedroom number 3. And light fixture, new flooring, and again, 3 bedrooms on this side, and it's a split floor plan, which potential residents love because they want to be as far away from the noise and their kids as they can. So the master is actually on the other side of the house, and we'll get to that in a minute. So everyone loves the split floor plan. First, we'll walk outside into the backyard. So back here we have a nice covered porch. Again, well-maintained backyard, fenced in. Everyone likes a fenced-in yard for their kids. They actually have a pretty good view, kind of overlooking the neighborhood. Again, everything looks really good back here. Now let's walk on to the master. Before we get to the master, we got our 2-car garage over here. Our electric panel is in here. Over here in the closet, we have our water heater. So again, with this house only being 5 years old, everything is essentially new. We have our laundry room. We have a big laundry room. Again, that's a great feature for potential residents. The bigger the laundry room, the better. And then we walk on. Right. We walk on into our master bedroom. So we got ceiling fan, brand new carpet. We have a French entry to our master bathroom. So in here, we got our shower, walk-in shower, nice glass sliding door. We have a double vanity, which I know is Kent's favorite thing in the whole world, next to Nick Saban, is a double vanity in the master bedroom, or master bathroom. And then we have a nice walk-in closet. So again, a fantastic house.
Mark, was that a full walk-in shower there? There wasn't any tub. I didn't quite see all the way down to the bottom. That's a full walk-in shower, right?
Right, full walk-in shower with nice glass sliding doors. So again, split floor plan, big laundry room, 1,696 square feet. I mean, it's everything a potential resident would want, and that's why we think Monday is going to go well on this final walkthrough with the applicants. So again, we hope to have this house rented and out to the sales team sometime next week.
Well, that's anything else on the house that we need to look at? We saw the yard, the front, the neighborhood, the inside, a big 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage house. It's going to, for our Alabama investors that are wanting to buy a house in Alabama, this is going to be in the $250,000 to $260,000 range. Looks like it's already rented, probably on a 2-year lease, so that's exciting. But Alabama, we told you we were coming. We're coming hard. We got a lot of houses down there that are available. And again, they corrected me on the price range. It's going to be $260,000 to $265,000 in that area down there. And a couple other things about Alabama. Again, our property management company is very active down there. We're actually now managing more houses than we bought down there, which is a great feature for us. So we have a lot of people interested in our property management company in Alabama and all the cities that we're in down there, which currently is the Tuscaloosa area, Birmingham, and Huntsville. Mark, anything else on this house?
I think you've seen the house. We've got 2 active rehabs going on in Tuscaloosa right now. We have 3 others that are finished and available for rent, this being one of them. And then we actually have 32 houses under contract to buy. 29 of those are going to be brand new builds. Hopefully the first 4 or 5 of those are coming in late June, and then we have them finishing all the way out through the end of the year. So we have a lot of inventory coming in Tuscaloosa. Of course, we're in Birmingham too. I think we've got 9 active rehabs going in Birmingham. I think 2 or 3 available for rent. And I think we're actually closing our very first Birmingham lease today. And then we've got 8 houses waiting to buy in Birmingham. So again, more inventory coming there. And then we've got our first rehab going right now in Huntsville, with 1 more under contract to buy. So when you add all those properties up of what we've already purchased, plus what we have in the pipeline coming, it's around 65 houses. And we've done that in a very short period of time. So like Kent said, when we said we were coming to Alabama, we meant it, and we're coming strong, and there's a lot coming for our investors. So we're really, really excited about this market.
Well, thank you, Mark, and thank you, Adam, for the tour this morning. I know our investors and potential investors are going to love that. A lot of people have been wanting us to get to Alabama for a long, long time. We're coming hard. We want to be the dominant player down there, and that's what we expect to do. We got our team down there. We've got offices in the cities, and we're ready to go down there. And for all of you that are listening, we again thank you for joining us today. Share it, like it, and love it with your friends. And again, thank you for joining us, Mark. Good job on the tour down there. We'll see you back. You're headed up for another city you're going to go take a look at. We're not going to spill the beans on that one today, all right?
Yeah, I'll be in an undisclosed location next Monday and Tuesday doing some due diligence.
I know you and Ryan secret mission next Monday and Tuesday in another state, looking at where we're thinking about going next here later in the summer. So we'll keep that under wraps for right now. And again, thanks everybody for joining us. Good job, Mark. Safe travels back to Memphis. And thank you for everybody joining us on our Facebook REI group team. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.
Thanks, y'all.